So in this video, we're going to show how to enter the sensors into a Q controller. First step is we're going to hit the system settings button, and we're going to enter the password. Password is 4321. And now we're in. So we're going to then go to System Options. And we're going to go down to the Q5 icon here, and we're going to press that. And this is where we enter how many sensors we're going to have. In this case, we're just going to do an example of one sensor. We're going to press Enter. Now we're going to exit. We're going to go to Setup. So here we have our one sensor that's already been addressed. We're going to enable it. And we're going to set up the relays right away. So the relays, we're going to use two relays, two alarms. So we're going to first set up relay 1. We're going to turn on the on concentration is going to be 25 parts per million. The off concentration, we're going to set to 20 parts per million. We're going to press Enter. And now we're going to set up relay 2, which is going to be alarm 2. And we're going to set that to 50 parts per million to turn on. And we're going to do 40 parts per million to turn off. Okay, so we have now the sensor configured to the relays. We're going to click Done. Now we're going to go on the right-hand side. We're going to set up the relays. We've enabled it. And as we can see, sensor 0, which is the address sensor, is already set up. Now we're going to enable relay 2. And now to get this all done, we're going to put it in monitoring mode. And it shows that sensor is there. The relays are enabled. They're assigned to the sensor. And they're both off because there's no gas applied. That is how you program a sensor to the Q controller.